Hey guys, back with another video. This is going to be on my watch. It's not really going to be a review, but I've had this. I'm getting all kinds of messages. I asked a friend of mine to send me a couple messages just to show that I can respond. I had to make a couple of changes when I got this watch. At first, I used a different text app. I used hand sent SMS, and found out that I can't reply. I can receive, but I can't reply back. So I ended up having to go back to the regular stock text messaging app through the phone, and that way I'm able to respond back. So just to show, go to text messaging here. Here's one of my friends that just sent me. So here I can respond back, go thanks, and send. So now that's going to go back there, and now it's been sent. So that's through regular text messaging. Let's go to my stock text messaging app, and there you go. Right? So I was sitting there, I was saying, shooting a video. Can you send me a couple texts? So there's the text that went through. So the other thing I thought too was being on BBM, BlackBerry Messenger. At first I thought I also could not respond, but if you go back here, I've got one for BBM up here. Once again, I had her send me a text through BBM. So if I click here, it's going to open up the app on my Note 4, right? So let me fire that app up on the Note 4, right? So that's her, right? And she sent me boo. So go back here just to show. If I click right here, usually I can respond. That's weird. Usually I can respond. Okay. Okay, let me check some things out here. Hold on. Okay, so I asked that person to send me one more text through BBM. I don't know if it makes a difference if I've missed a bunch, because usually if I get one, I can reply to it right away through the watch. But if I go to my emails, I can go directly to different emails, view the whole thing, right? And from there, I can reply, and I can compose, which is pretty cool. I like that. Right. So same thing with Messenger. Usually if one comes in through Messenger, you can once again see here, I only have the option to dismiss. I wonder if that's because I'm wondering if there's some sort of a time limit where you can respond. I can always click here and it'll open up the app. Everybody knows that. With Facebook, I can't. The only thing I can do is open up the apps, and I can't directly respond to a Facebook post, like something if I posted. But for Messenger, you can usually. That's about it. This is my main screen that I'm using. Weather's cool. Tap that, tap it again, give you a 6-day forecast. But I've done this on my other one. Music, right? Contacts, nothing different there. with the different messaging. Right, if you click down, dismiss all, okay. You can go up to the different apps that I have. So that's cool. I'll show you some different. This is the Matrix one. Different watch faces I have. Can't quite remember if I've shown you this one. If you double tap, the colors change. Those yellow, green, kind of a turquoise, white, back to yellow, long press. Showing that one. Let's see if this one works. I can't remember if last time I showed this one if it worked or not. If you I can't remember if you double tap. No, I think you just double tap with one finger. No. Okay, so that turns there. Gives you what do you call it? Your schedule on the bottom. Click it one more time. Schedule. One more time should bring me to the. I just had it. There it is. The weather. So that's pretty cool. Gives you a breakdown per hour, what temperature it's going to be. Go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Right. Time up top, digital. Also the what do you call it up here? The date, month. So that's pretty cool. That's called Watcher. This one's kind of cool. It's a little bit different. Zenzu Watch. If you can see that up here, just pause it. If you click up here on the top, here, calories, go back here for your pedometer. I believe that is. Yep. Phone. Right. Click that again. Here's your speed, so you gotta have your GPS on. Distance, same sort of thing. Go back. So let's change the clock again. So what else do I have? I think this one I've had before too. I showed. Let's see what else. This is new. If you double tap, the colors change. See, yellow, orange, blue, and that's it. And then these are all just all the stock ones. I'm also using this one app called Watch Dialer. So this is an app that I've not an app, but this is a watch face that I've created. So if I click up here, it brings me to my notifications. I have none because I just cleared them all out. Pedometer, it'll bring you there, right? Clock, nothing happens if you click here. Your date up top, month. You can also create your shortcuts. So I have one here for messaging. Here we'll go to my calculator, I think. Yep. And then here, stopwatch. Right. Maybe I should show that. How long is this video? It's at 10 minutes already. 9 minutes. So, okay, I'm just gonna pause for a sec. Okay, so back to my Note 4. Let's turn this down a little bit. So you can see what's going on. Okay, so here's the app right here. Fire that up. Watch Dialer. We gotta move this back a little bit. There. So here are different watch faces that I've created. I'm a Cowboys fan, so there's one there. This is the one I just showed you on my watch, right there. Here's another one I created. It's not that great, but this was actually the first one I tried doing. So this is a picture I took of when I was driving. I altered the pic so it shows, kind of like grayscale. Put a clock right there. That was my first try. Yeah, here's another one. I think this was my second one. You can go analog and digital, make your different shortcuts. This is the one I've been sticking with for a while. This one I just created too. It's not bad, but football season, I might fire that up. But usually my go-to is this one. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Let's go back to the watch. Battery. People are probably wondering, how does this battery last me? One of the biggest tips that I can give to get the battery to last a long time, when I'm outside, a lot of people say keep it on auto. That's cool. You can do that if you want. Usually when I'm inside, I'll have it around half. When I go outside, I'll jack it up to there. My Bluetooth is always on, but one thing that I do is I go to my settings, right? I go to motions right here, and wake up gesture. I used to have that ticked off so that every time you raise or flick your wrist, the light the time comes on, and if you tap it again, then your actual watch face will light up, whatever. I would unplug at 4 o'clock in the morning, and by 4 p.m. I'm probably at around 30%. Just doing that one thing alone with the gesture, so that it's kind of a little bit of an inconvenience, but it's really, to me, really not a big deal for me to push that button to get the time. Just doing that, taking the motion thing off, in a 12-hour span, I will be at maybe 75% compared to 35%. And that's with me getting all my notifications, getting all my emails, text messages, Facebook messages, and BBM messages, also emails. That's pretty much it that I do with my watch, really. I mean, I really do primarily use it as a watch to tell time and stuff, but when I'm at different places, I always get, oh, is that the Apple Watch or the iWatch, Apple Watch? And I'm like, no, this one is much better. I have also experienced putting my SIM card in the watch and walking away. It's pretty cool. I mean, as soon as I get it in my car, my Bluetooth is always on, so it automatically syncs up to my car stereo. That's pretty cool. I'm not too crazy about talking to my wrist if somebody calls, but 95% of the time, when the phone is with me, I don't get phone calls. People most likely text. Most of the time, text me, so not a big deal, really. I've been using this one for a while, but since I've seen The Matrix, I'm really liking The Matrix, because you can also change the colors and all that stuff too. So it takes a little bit for it to start up, right? So if you double tap on this, oh sorry, how do I do that? Maybe it's a single tap. No. Oh, maybe it's just there. Just tap it once. With double tap, 2 fingers, just tap it once. So the matrix color, you can change that. So let's go make it. See, you can change that. Tap it one more time. Make matrix color, make it green. I actually like this one too. This is cool. When you go matrix color, I like this, the rainbow one. That's pretty slick. Now you can also change the character. Okay, so change the color, the clock color, right? Change that. Change it to let's say blue. So that's pretty cool. Now you can also change 24-hour format. Okay, so now, okay, so I just got a text message there. So okay, so I got another BBM. She's saying you're pushy. So see, BBM. Now I can reply. You can go there, or you can go here, and you can type something out. Or I'm going to try to use the voice prompt. Haha, I'm not pushy. Thank you very much for your help. You're in my video now. Okay, so I'll send that. I'm not pushy. Thank you very much. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. Send. Successfully sent. So there, I actually showed on BBM that you can send that to text messaging. Same thing. You can reply. Thanks again. GAIN. Right? Send. And so now that's sent. So anyway, let's go back here. Tap that once. You can change the to 24-hour format. You can change the speed. Let's go fast. And then let's see what that looks like. Right? Click that once. And you can also designate battery icon, percentage, free space, blah, 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 the weather. Let's go normal. And then let's go, okay, so you can change the symbols. So you can go default, they're just a bunch of dots, Korean. Oh man, I hate that. You can change them to bulbs, dollar signs, basketballs. So we're gonna go, let's go Korean and go back. So now they're all Korean symbols, right? To change these, you take it and swipe down, and then you choose your shortcut. It's gonna go through all your apps that you have. And okay, so let's just go back there. So now she's sending me a text back. Let's go back, go here. Anything for you, and I say thanks. Just gotta Google. Okay, so just got an email there, something from Google. You sign in from Chrome. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So anyway, that's my new favorite screen, my watch. So you can also designate whatever you want. Unfortunately, there's only 3 here, but you know, I like it. It's slick. So to save battery, turn the motion thing off. With this, actually, when the first day I turned that motion thing off, in a 24-hour period, I was only at about 55%, and that's using it all day, playing music, this and that. So I got at least a minimum of a day and a half, just by turning the motions off. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, you can hit me up on Google+. I am on there if you want a quick response. A quicker response anyway. If not, just leave me any messages on the comment section or whatever. That's it. I'll see you on my next video.